The NPP Jirang bloc convened an emergency meeting today at Bernihat to address allegations by former MDC Victor Rani, who resigned and joined Congress, claiming the party denied him a ticket for the upcoming MDC elections. NPP leaders including Jirang MLA Sosthenes Sotun and District NPP President Clement Maulong clarified that there was no conspiracy against Rani. They stated Rani's resignation was premature as candidates has not been announced and highlighted his distancing from party leaders and lack of communication as factors in the decision.
Sopan tempau, ya kajing lengok, bat ya kajing kendit. Hadirin ba ngilayo i kubur ba i Pak Victor Rani ila i no ke parti NPP balik penyesok saka parti Kongres baru kipat ba jong Jirang konsensi ki leaders ki wanra ya ka feedback hakinong elam kilaban ai hu emily kilaban pensngau paramaki halor ka jingyo jingtep ka jongki na kipat ba tenga tharai kin khamha ki leaders ki batip khamha ban batai namar ba maki kia sngau hakbede bat ka feel ka jong EMDC badai na kata kadau na kaliang jong ki leaders ki kwa ban ai jingut ba mai in kham ban le bha khanang ba ngin la ban nang ngin klan chu chu ba ka party ka jungi ngin la ban punjab suk i hakan ka election ka ban sawan henry pause kumala keno boong ba ka NPP kala kentaj ban ai tiket Henry kala abandai penban kajing temu kejongki bakin mi no nak parti kejongi haka last moment kaba mangingil sa haka umdum ngim tip syu ko ban le iano ban rai yop candidate dengan sai ki don lang ki leaders idon di president by secretary nang ta kumjuru bat ki we ki members ki bat tip ha ya ki baro.
The Meghalaya government will